Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first vlog. So my first vlog, I'm gonna be just saying thank you to everyone who's very supportive sa bagong karerang tinatahak ko as a vlogger. So my friends, family, colleagues, my squad, and sa mga kateatro ko. Sobrang thank you sa pagkalat ng aking YouTube channel. And, from 13 subscribers, umakyat siya. There's a gradual increase sa number of subscribers ko. So yun, I just hope na dumami pa siya in the future. But then again, thank you po. So as part of this vlog as well, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing because there's one friend who's really close to my heart. Pinadalhan niya ako ng regalo, guys! So speaking of regalo, yun na nga. Just wanna share her details. Yun ang regalo sa akin kasi she's selling these items na pinadala niya sa akin. The name of her store is Jill Store and her name is Jill Lacaba. So, thank you so much, Jill, sa pinadala mo. And this is gonna be a very, helpful tools para sa aking mga vlog. It's gonna help me produce a lot of quality videos that I'm gonna be, uploading in YouTube, and that's because of your big help. And syempre, para sa ating mga subscribers. So, thank you so much, Jill. If you wanna see or if you wanna witness the unboxing, please continue watching. So, ina-receive ko package from Jill Store. So, yan. In total, I received like 4 boxes. Excited for this. So, may message siya. Can you guys read it? So, ang sabi niya dito, sis, this is for you. You deserve the best. Good luck on your YouTube channel. I love you. Jill Star. I love you too. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with the studio microphone. Yan. Jill, sobrang daming packaging tape. Secured na secured ang aking regalo. So actually, meron akong ganito before. I ordered it from Amazon. So, it's like 5 to 6 years ago pa nung in-order ko siya sa Amazon. Kasi even before, I've been planning to do, or to enter the world of YouTube and do vlogs. Yun nga lang, hindi kaya ng oras. Kasi nagtatrabaho din po ako. So, ayun. So now, because of the pandemic, I believe I have a lot of time to do vlogging. So, let's do this. So, nasan ba yung tape nito, sis? Ayan. Oh. So, ang dami niyang laman. May pa-manual. And may warranty paper. So, we have a broadcasting and recording microphone. It's also sealed. So, ayan. Gold. There. And ito yung cord. Plus, there is this one. And this one. Naka-sealed pa siya. Tirain na natin. There. Diba? Para akong magiging recording artist sa regalo ni Jill. Subukan natin kumanta sa mga susunod na vlog natin. So, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan. So, meron pong 4 na items sa loob ng first box natin. And this one. This is the singing live sound card. Marami ako nakikitang vlogger or mga singer na gumagamit ng sound card kapag nagko-cover ng kanta. So, syempre nag-research na rin ako ng very light kung ano mga dapat gagamitin kapag gumagawa ng vlog. And isa siya sa mga lumabas, actually, sound card. Alam ko, ito yung may mga sound effects na magbibigay sa'yo ng echo, ayan, recording or whatever. Ayan. Ang tawag dito ay sound card. Yan. Nice. And then there's 3 USB cords. I think this is for your cell phone to be connected here, and then going to your laptop maybe, or sa speaker din. Uy, magkano to ah? Ang dami mo pinadala. Yep. And then, let's go to the third box. Pop shield. Pop shield. Ah, this one. Pop shield. So, let's open it. Oh, amazing. Ooh. So, ito yung kapag nasa harapan ng microphone. Ayan, singer na ako. And the last box. This is the microphone, recording microphone stand. So you guys can actually visit her page, so you can order these items directly to her. Ayan, stand. Oh, awesome. So guys, hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin itong mga to. Siyempre, I'm gonna ask someone to help me set this up. Ito sure na sure ako ito yung mag-hold ng mic. Okay, so here's what I received from Jill. Jill. Thank you so much to Jill Lacaba for your support, and more power to your business. You guys can order this directly to her. Just visit her page. As I've mentioned, it will be part of the description box below, so please check the link, visit her page, and order now. So that's it for my first vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it. So please like this video and also share it to your friends, your family, to everyone. Spread the news that Maccoy is now doing vlogs. Thank you. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified sa mga upcoming videos ko. Yun lang po, and keep safe everyone. God bless, and thank you for watching.